Hey guys, it's been a pretty long time since my last video. I've been under the weather the last couple weeks, but starting to feel a little bit better. I wanted to do a quick video on changing the layout. So I'm so used to using Cadlink or Direct Factory version 10, and this version 11 takes a little bit of me getting used to it and trying to find where things were in version 10. So there is a way that you can flip it back to the classic look, and that's what I wanted to show you guys. So I have version 11 of Direct Factory open now, and I want to change it back to the way 10 looked. So you can go in here up top and go into View, UI mode. Right now, this black look is the next gen look of it. So I want to go back to the classic. And you'll get a pop-up that'll say, the changes will take place on the next application launch. So I'm going to hit OK. And I'm simply going to close out of this and then go back to open my Direct Factory, which I have pinned down here. And this time when it opens back up, it should look like version 10. I know sometimes it gets a little bit unused to where things are. So I actually prefer this, maybe because when I started DTF 2 years ago, this is version 10 layout is what I am used to. So just wanted to show you that. And then I believe you can go back in there, go to view, UI mode, and change to next gen if you actually do prefer the black version 11 layout. But that's what I wanted to share. Happy printing, guys. Bye.